Oh my goodness, it feels good to be back home. To see this background here, I love it, guys. Hopefully you're doing pretty well today. Terra Luna Classic is doing very well today. Holding and maintaining those 9,000 point per coin levels. Yes, I know we want well above 10,000 points per coin, but we've currently got 9,000 points per coin, and the entire cryptocurrency market is trying to make its way back from some of the lows that we saw yesterday, with Bitcoin bouncing back a little bit, Ethereum, Shiba bouncing back a little bit, and Terra Luna Classic bouncing back a little bit as well, sitting right there at 9,000 to 9,100 points. And we don't have too many updates to go over in this video. We have a lot going on with the Lunatics token. We've got a lot going on with the 1.2% burn tax. But I want to focus a little bit about a newer token that is going to be coming out in September. And I also want to talk about staking, because staking is probably going to be a much bigger deal than a lot of people are, I guess, anticipating right now. So let's discuss it. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trades, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And although you can't choose Terra Luna Classic, you can choose like 6 or 7 different coins. So make sure to check that out, especially if it's time for you guys to get in for the very first time as well. I mean, we've been on a massive dip for a very long time now. We've basically been in this bear market for an entire year, and things could be starting to look up soon. We hope that they are. Nobody wants to sit in this bear market for much longer. But nonetheless, guys, I do want to focus a little bit on those two things in this video. We've gone over Lunatics token quite extensively in the last few videos. The 1.2% burn tax is going to be incredible when implemented. I mean, if you're looking at the average numbers that we're seeing right now, and you're looking anywhere between 15 to 30 million dollars of Terra Luna Classic being traded per day, you're still talking, roughly 3 to 4 billion Terra Luna Classic that are going to be burnt on a daily basis with that 1.2% burn tax. It's going to be absolutely incredible. But we've got, I believe it's like Glowston, not exactly sure how to pronounce it, but nonetheless, it's an interesting token that we've got out there. I believe it has 6% rewards. Okay, so this is slightly higher than the Lunatics token when it comes to rewards. Therefore, it's going to have a tax, right? You got to get these rewards from somewhere, and they will be taxing the transactions on there. But the reward, or the Terra Luna Classic burn, this is the interesting part. It is going to be a random burn based on what I've seen. And I don't know how random burn is going to work. I don't know if it's going to be a random tax, if they're just randomly going to burn 1% of their transaction taxes. That's the weird part to me, is that it's got a random burn. So I don't know all of the tokenomics when it comes to Glowston or however you say this new token out there, but the random burn part is very weird to me. I do think that it would be, and I could be completely off on this, but it does say random burn, right? I think it would be very weird if you were to go and sell your token and all of a sudden you get hit with a 30% tax. Oh, random burn today is 30%. You guys just got unlucky. Random burn tomorrow is 1%. You would have been much better off selling tomorrow and only getting hit with a 1% fee. So it's going to be interesting nonetheless to see how that plays out. But at the end of the day, it's doing exactly what we want to see it do. It's going to be rewarding holders, and it's going to be burning Terra Luna Classic. And look, it's going to be as successful as the people that support it. So if it does end up getting a lot of support, if people end up liking the idea and buying into it, then I'm sure it's going to be able to burn a lot of Terra Luna Classic, and that is exactly what we want to see. But guys, staking. This is often overlooked. This is often overlooked, and it can truly be one of the largest and fastest contributors to removing Terra Luna Classic from the circulating supply. Now, this is interesting because these tokens will go back into the supply. Sorry. So it is different than burning these tokens. It is different than permanently removing them from the circulating supply. But nonetheless, if we were just looking at the overall supply of Terra Luna Classic right now, and we end up getting, I don't know, what, 20% staked, you're talking we're going to have almost 2 trillion Terra Luna Classic that are being staked and taken out of supply in one fell swoop. That is going to be insane to see that amount of tokens or that amount of coins come out of the circulating supply at one time. And not only does it massively or drastically reduce the overall circulating supply, it increases utility. When you have a stakeable coin and you can earn income simply by locking it up and holding it, it's going to increase demand and create demand that we may not be seeing right now. If you look at any investment, people invest because they want to generate income, they want to generate capital gains, they just want to generate money. They want to make money. And if you add a utility that increases the amount of money you can make, it should therefore, theoretically, right? Everything's a theory until it starts to take place in real life. It should theoretically increase demand as well. So staking, it really gets overlooked because everybody is extremely excited about the 1.2% burn tax. Everybody's excited to see how many Terra Luna Classic we can remove from the supply by burning them and permanently having them gone. But man, I'm telling you, staking is going to be an incredible way to increase demand and at the same time decrease supply. So I'm excited to see these take place. I believe the staking is supposed to be re-enabled. September 12th is a date that I keep seeing floating around out there. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on that and see how, I guess, true it comes to be. But nonetheless, man, if we do get to see staking returned on September 12th, if we get to see these new tokens coming out within the next couple of weeks, and we get to see that 1.2% burn tax implemented, it is going to be a major catalyst for Terra Luna Classic moving forward. I want to know what you guys think, though. Simple, plain and simple. If you own Terra Luna Classic, do you plan on staking your Terra Luna Classic? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. Join the free Discord in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.